Every season speaks its own language. The air shifts. The body remembers. And somewhere between the warmth of soup and the cool touch of rain, Ayurveda begins to whisper. Balance. Ayurveda, the ancient science of life, teaches that nature isn't separate from us. We are made of the same elements that shape the world: air, fire, water, earth, and space. Those elements dance together in the body as three energies: the doshas, vote air, and space governs movement, breath, and creativity. It's the wind that stirs ideas and dries the leaves. Pitta fire, and water rules digestion, transformation, and passion. It's the summer heat and the spark in your gut. Kapha earth and water holds the structure, patience, and sweetness of life. It's the grounding comfort of winter. Each season awakens a different dosha. When one rises too high, we feel it. Fall and winter stir vata, leaving us dry, restless, or scattered. Summer ignites pitta, bringing drive but sometimes anger or burnout. Spring thickens kapha, inviting comfort, but also heaviness or stagnation. Ayurveda invites us to listen to life with the seasons, not against them. The secret is that the seasons outside mirror the ones within. Some of us live in eternal spring, nurturing, soft, always blooming. Others burn like summer, passionate, quick, fiery. And some drift like autumn air, creative, but always changing form. Ayurveda helps us recognize our patterns and meet them with compassion, not control. When we eat according to the seasons, food becomes medicine. Warm oils ground vata, cooling herbs soothe pitta, spices awaken kapha and clear the fog. Every meal is an opportunity to restore harmony, not through restriction but remembrance. It's not a diet, it's devotion to your body's dialogue with nature. Even in our modern lives, laptops, deadlines, city noise, we're still ancient beings made of rhythm and breath. The body doesn't forget how to align with the sun, or the moon, or the sound of rain. Ayurveda isn't old, it's timeless. This series, the Cozy City series, is my love letter to that rhythm. It's the flavors that heal, the cities that teach, and the balance that always finds its way home. May it remind you that balance isn't something you chase, it's something you return to. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe for more reflections and rituals. And click the notification bell so you don't miss our next episode, where we explore the beautiful balance of Austin, Texas. I can't wait to see you there.